Winter's coming. Here's 3 quick things that you can do to protect your home. Number 1, clean your gutters. Leaves and debris cause overflows, ice dams, leaks, and even foundation issues. If you ever notice any water pooling around your house, it might also be a good time to clean out your perimeter drains. A quick clean now prevents big repairs later. Number 2, turn off and cover your exterior taps. Disconnect and drain your hoses. Shut off the inside water supply if you can, and pop on an insulated cover. Frozen pipes burst fast, and damage is never cheap. Number 3, change your furnace filter and get your furnace serviced. A clean filter keeps your system efficient and your air healthy. And a quick annual service helps prevent breakdowns when you need the heat the most. A little winter prep will go a long way. Protect your home now, and it will protect you all season long. I'm Ian with Wiggins Group Real Estate, protecting what matters most, your home and family.